I was a prisoner, not in chains, but in a loop. Scroll, click, like, repeat. Every swipe felt like control, but I was the one being controlled. There was always something to check, someone to stalk, some reel to watch. It felt like connection, but it was just noise. I'd wake up and reach for my phone before I could even stretch. My eyes were still half closed, but my thumb, already scrolling. That was my reality. I wasn't thinking anymore, just reacting, living life on autopilot, mind foggy, attention span shattered. I was everywhere and nowhere. It hit me one night, alone in my room. No motivation, no clarity, just static in my mind. And that's when the thunder rolled outside my window, and it felt like my soul was begging to shut it all off. So I did. I deleted everything. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, gone. Day one was chaos. My fingers twitched. Muscle memory kept unlocking the phone, just to find nothing there. Silence is loud when you're not used to it. It makes you face yourself. No distractions. Just you, your fears, your unfinished dreams, your real thoughts. But slowly, it started to feel good. I began writing again. I prayed with intention. I took cold showers to remind myself I was alive. I sat under trees, read books I used to ignore, went on walks with no music, just the sound of the wind and my heartbeat. I wasn't detoxing from social media. I was rewiring my soul. Now, I still use my phone, but I don't live in it. Now I post. I don't scroll. I create. I don't consume. I'm not perfect, but I'm aware, and that alone is a superpower in this digital jungle. You don't need more motivation. You need less noise, less scrolling, more silence. Silence isn't empty. It's full of answers. Subscribe if your soul's tired of scrolling.